So in this video, I'll be cooking Esuri. It is a very sweet native delicacy. It is also known as Ekpang Nkukwo. I don't know if I got that correctly in Akwa Ibom or Calabar. We call this Esuri. We call this Esuri in Eleme language. So I'm going to show you guys just how you can make this particular food. It's a very, very tasty something. If you do it the way I did it, believe me, you're going to end up with something. In fact, you may end up licking your fingers. Okay, so to start this, I'm going to be using wateryam. So you have to peel it and then you grate it just the way I am doing right now. So fast forward. This is my wateryam already grated. You can see how it is. So for this, I'm going to use my dried fish. Right here, I have obachi, bara, ebuepina. And this also is goat meat. Okay, I'm also going to use vegetables for this. I'm using scent leaf and nsogu. Krika based Lerobonera, but I'm still going to use it that way. Next, I'm going to use periwinkle. We call it ochuchu in my language, okay? Periwinkle, and for this particular recipe, it is this cotton periwinkle that you use, and then salt to taste, seasoning cube to taste. Okay, so next I'm going to use fresh pepper. I'm using fresh pepper, and in here I have both yellow and red pepper, and I'm also going to be using crayfish. This particular food is crayfish friendly. So this one here is palm oil. Okay, so moving on, let's just start cooking. The very first thing I did was to add in my meat stock, and also I added more water to it, and then I'm going to add palm oil to this. Cooking this is very, very simple. So you can show it to your wife, you can show it to yourself, you can show it to whoever you want to show it to. Let them prepare this for you, and then make sure you're giving the person something very good. Okay, another tip for this, you want to make sure you're using a non-sticky pan, a non-sticky pot to cook this, okay, so that it doesn't stick and get burnt on time.
Onure agbanwe to lesa denje etureke mi orobera gba o we pere ba fala wolo nota o ona pa mi o feji boronete ododora da mododo dari yeke ojirire jijiranga ma jijiro jijobo otone dambi barara bere dada ebodori iruwe etadori iruwe aludori iruwe you are mighty. Obari rede okundo. You are mighty. Obari rede okumba. You are mighty. A ojo gbagara komekayo. You are mighty. Tene tito yera dido yanje. You are mighty. Osikiri mene no ne pegbe yegbe. You are mighty. Obore ne njo ogun ebo. You are mighty. You are mighty. Obarole ne yo. Inone mamore tadre njane wa de rebugura. Wa pe won se obe na le ka peso bi di wa de loro bueno. Wa se obo na le to se o wa de la loro bonna. Edeke no edeke na edeke virie. Obari le ke deke bo. Jima na mi ko we le ra yo we. Ikingala be no le pase mama be le ra yo we. O wa gora tadira o. Merena o wa nyima barane so be o. Como wa gora Jame do iro bari Merena minga jame do iro o emere o. Emere ni no nere baba lo ebete mi vi aro. Andre ka ya momo la bie be we ka na sa mi vi aro. Wajimajo, wajimebo, wajimabe ne ko gbe bo wiriwe. O wajimene ko kun ye koro be ye. De gbero ne siobe. You are mighty, oh, you are mighty, you are mighty, you are mighty. Wagora barira o, gangara o, wagora gbero ne siobe. Jima o, wagora banene ke labie no ni na ne de bachia, wagora Obari rene anjuwe. You
So after adding everything that I need to add, you see what I have right here. My water yam is cooking and it is sitting pretty right here. This is actually very ready. You can serve this. It's sweet, very sweet. In fact, tell me thank you for teaching you this. Thank you so much for watching.